Hey beauties, Bianca Charisma here, and today I am showing you this beautiful wig unit. This is a U-part wig from Luv Me hair. So let me tell you guys all about it. So what I received in the mail is this really nice Luv Me hair box. Inside of it came this beautiful flat iron, and it works really good too. This rat tail comb, this Luv Me hair clip. They also gave me some more goodies, which they gave me some clips. They gave me a hair wax stick, and they also gave me some bobby pins, which we're going to be using all of that today. And last but not least, they gave me this beautiful 20-inch U-part wig. Now this U-part wig is a straight unit, and it has some clips already attached to it, and it also has adjustable straps. So today I'm going to show you just how to install it. So the first thing that I am doing is I already braided I parted my hair and then I braided a nice braid. That is my leave out braid, and now I am creating an anchor braid. So if you've never worn a U-part wig before, you want to make sure to create an anchor braid. This is very important because this is what the U-part wig is going to attach to. So I'm parting my hair. Like I said before, I'm creating sections for my leave out hair, and I am also creating a section for the anchor braid. So the leave out hair is that braid that you first saw in the beginning right here, braided where the U shape is, and now I'm braiding the second braid for my leave out hair. The leave out hair is basically just the hair that you are going to unbraid at the end of this tutorial so that you can blend it in with your U-part wig. So here is one braid, and then I'm going to braid the other side. And I just want to tell you guys now, I'm braiding so terrible because I put on these, what are they called? I put on these nails. The nails that you see that I'm wearing are super cute, but they are press-ons. So, and they're long press-ons. So it was harder for me to braid my hair neat, but it really doesn't matter. If you don't braid neat, that's fine. As long as the hair is braided and secure, then you are fine. So now I am just parting my hair a little bit more for the anchor braid. And I like to use braiding hair when I am braiding my anchor braid so that the foundation of my U-part wig is very secure. Usually if I braid my hair and I don't use braiding hair, then when you are putting on a U-part wig, you are clipping it on and off, and that can loosen your braid. So you want a braid that is very secure and very strong, and that can hold some clips that are going to be clipping on and off your head. So that is exactly why I am braiding hair with my anchor braid, and I am braiding it around that U, and then I'm going to basically just braid down and behind my ear. So that is the first braid that I am doing, and then I'm basically just going to be doing cornrows to the back with the rest of my hair. Now the trick here is that I don't want a bunch of cornrows just, braided in the back of my hair, because all of those braids I'm going to have to somehow flatten to the back of my head and make it look flat. So the trick when you're doing a U-part wig is you want the less amount of hanging braids as possible. So I basically just connected that first braid that I had, and I attached it to my second braid. So you'll see me do it again. I am braiding, and then I'm going to basically take that hanging braid and I'm going to connect it to the following braid. So the next braid that I'm braiding, I'm just connecting one braid to the other. So I'm basically just creating one big braid that is going, that is linking to each braid. So I don't have a bunch of hanging braids that I need to attach to the back of my head. At the end of me braiding my hair, you guys are going to see I'm only going to have one braid to attach, and that is this braid here. So I am taking my bobby pins, which they sent me, and I am basically just bobby pinning that braid to the other side of my head, and that makes sure that my hair is nice and flat when I am putting on the U-part wig. This does not have to be super neat. As long as it is flat, then you are good. So now what I'm doing is I'm taking the U-part wig and I'm simply just attaching it to that anchor braid that we created. And it also has clips, not clips, it has straps in the back. So if your head is a little smaller like mine, then you can just attach the straps together and it'll tighten up your U-part wig. So I'm clipping in my U-part wig. And next thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be flat ironing my leave out hair. So now that the wig is on, I'm just attaching those straps in the back, and voila, the hair is nice and snug on my head. Now the only problem that I had, I will say, is that it seems like this U-part wig is better when you have a middle part instead of a deep side part. If you do a deep side part like I'm doing now, you may have a slight like lump in the back. You won't really be able to notice, but I would say the next time I reapply this wig and install it, I'm going to make sure that my side part is not so deep and is closer to the middle. But basically right now I am just unbraiding my hair and I am going to be flat ironing the leave out in order to blend my hair with the leave out hair. So I'm using this LuvMe hair flat iron. I was so surprised that they sent me a flat iron with this wig unit, and they let me know that whenever anyone basically orders the U-part wig from their website, then they get a free flat iron. So they really give you all the things that you need in order to achieve this look, so you really don't have to go out and buy too many things to achieve this look. They sent you everything you already need. Now I am flat ironing my hair. I always recommend that you use a heat protectant spray before flat ironing your hair. I already used the heat protecting spray because I did this hairstyle already, but I just decided that I wanted to do a very detailed video for you guys, so I just took it all down, and that is why I didn't spray any heat protectant spray, because I already put enough heat protectant spray in my hair. But if you are trying to make sure your hair is nice and healthy, and you don't really want to damage your hair, always make sure to use a heat protectant spray when you are putting heat to your hair. It's just something that you have to do to shield your hair from any damage. Also, what I want to mention is if you are new to using U-part wigs and you have more fine to medium hair like me, you really don't want to wear this hairstyle for a very long time. Like, you don't want to go over a month with wearing this hairstyle. I only like to wear it for like a week or two, because you don't want to be clipping the U-part wig on and off, and then trying to blend your hair all the time, because that is how you damage your hair. This is just a hairstyle that is cute, and it is a protective style that helps your hair grow, but you have to make sure that you are not wearing this wig for long periods of time, because your natural hair, you don't want to have to always blend it with other hair. This is just a hairstyle for when you want to switch it up and you want to look good and you want to add length, then this is what you can do. So you see how natural this looks. If you are a beginner with wigs, you definitely want to try a U-part wig. It looks just like a sew-in, and if you don't like sew-ins, like I cannot stand wearing sew-ins, U-part wigs are so much easier for me, then U-part wigs will definitely be something that you will love to wear. So now what I'm doing is using this edge booster, and I'm just slicking my hair down and really blending it with the U-part wig. Now my hair also is not dyed or it's not rinsed. It's no rinse in my hair, so my hair is kind of like an ashy brown color. So when I slick my hair, it actually makes my hair look a little bit darker, and it helps to blend my hair a bit more. But if you want to rinse your hair, if your hair is not really dark, then it will really help for your hair to blend with the wig. So yeah, definitely use some edge booster, edge style gel to make the look more slick. And yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing. I also got this really cute pink, I guess it's like an edge brush. I got it from the beauty supply, so I think it's really, really nice and really, really cute. I love to match my edge booster with, I guess, my baby hair comb. I know that is so extra, but anyway, that's just what I like to do. But I'm combing my hair out, and this is the final look. I'm just taking this, it's like a wax stick that they gave me, which is super cute. I am using that, and I am using it to just blend my leave out hair with the U-part wig hair. And I really like that they gave me this. I'm just brushing my hair down and really blending it. But at the end of the day, this is the look. It is so natural. It looks like a sew-in. It looks like really my real hair, and I love it. You guys definitely want to make sure to try it out. Luv Me hair, easy to install, affordable, and just so freaking cute. So you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I will see you in my next one.